Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss another question on basic aggregate function. We are just going through the basic aggregate functions from Leetcode SQL 50, and today we will be covering immediate food delivery 2. So this is a medium type of question to be asked in some of the interviews. So what the question says is, now, the immediate food delivery to is basically something. You have a table from a database of any food delivering client or a company. So you can take an example of something Zomato, Swiggy, or like that. Maybe anything, anyone. So this is a particular data set from any one of the food delivery uh, uh, giants or companies. So it has four kind of column. A particular snap from a dataset has been taken. We have a order ID. You have again a delivery ID, order date, custom preference, delivery date. So these are a few columns you have, and obviously delivery ID will be in the unique values. Okay. So now let's jump into the question. What the question says, and we will also consider the conditions. What are the conditions it has been provided to solve the question. So what is the question, condition is that if the customer preferred delivery date is same as the order date, then order is called immediate. Otherwise, it is called scheduled. So you have a delivery ID, delivery customer ID, and customer day, order date, and customer preference date. So if the order date and the customer preference date is same, then we will consider it as immediate, or we will consider it as scheduled. Okay. So again, another condition is that the first order of a customer is the order with the earliest order date that the customer made. It is guaranteed that the customer has precisely one first order. What it says is, the you have to consider the earliest order in order to find the order of a customer. Okay, so what you just see properly over here, to satisfy the condition of the previous one, we have to consider this one, right? So what is the first condition is that we have to find which one is immediate or which one is scheduled, or which one is, we have to identify which one is immediate and scheduled. And how you will do it? It is basically on the basis of that order which has the customer has been provided in the earliest form. Okay, if suppose a customer has given an order today, and again a customer has also provided an order yesterday, so we need to consider that yesterday's order. Okay, and then we will go for whether it is immediate or scheduled. Right, now go for the question, write a solution to find the percentage of the intermediate orders in the first order of all the customers run two decimal places. Okay, we need to find the percentage of immediate orders in the first orders all. Okay, so what is it? Just take an example of this one. We need to find this immediate percentage. What is this immediate percentage? Is we need to find which one is immediate and which one is scheduled. So we have to make a percentage of immediate ones. Take an example of this table, this input table. 1 1, that is delivery ID 1, customer ID is 1. So for customer ID 1, now check if any other customer ID is available in the table or not. See, in third row there is another customer ID, and we have a delivery ID of 3. Now check for the dates. For first one, this is easy 0801, but in the second you see 0811. So 0801 is the first one, so we will consider this one 0801. Now you see the delivery date is 0802, that is the next day. So in the, what is the one in the question, what it has said is that if the date is in the same day, then it will consider as immediate, or we will consider as schedule. So now for one customer ID, it is scheduled because the delivery is in the next day, not in the same day. Now similarly go for customer ID 2. What the customer ID 2 says is, you have 0802, and in the same day only the delivery is 0802. You check for other two is, yes, over here where the delivery ID is 6, that is 811, that is a way back from 0802. So we will consider 0802 only. Okay, and you see the delivery day is the same date. Now customer ID 2 will be considered as a immediate ones. Okay, similarly for 3 and 4 also you check that. Now if you consider everything, Now you see the explanation over here. The customer ID 1, similarly I have told you that delivery ID is scheduled, immediate. Now you just total all of this. You see the immediate, you have two immediate and two scheduled. That means you have 50% immediate chances. That is immediate percentage is 50%. That's all. It is as simple as that. Now the question arises how you are going to solve this one. Now you divide the question into two parts. First, the first logic, and you go for the second logic. Okay. First logic is that you have to find the immediate percentage. You will find the immediate percentage. Now, how you will find the immediate percentage? For the percentage, what you need to gather the immediate ones, and you will divide by the count of the total ones. Right. So what you will do is now go for select, and I will use a case over here, and on the case I will use a where clause. You see over here how I am doing it. Round sum of, now use case. Okay, what is it? When order underscore date is order date. Where is one? Order date. This part. Order date is equal to this order date is equal to when we will consider the immediate ones. When the order date will be is equal to customer reference delivery date. Take this one. Okay. Now, so this is the case. Okay. Then for this case, what I will consider is take this part when this will be equal to this one, means when the order date is equal to customer preference delivery date, we will consider it as one. We will consider it as one. Okay. Then one. Okay. Else consider it at 0. Okay. Now end the case. Okay. Now you will use 100 because I will just say over. Now you will say because I have to use percentage. Okay, so while using the percentage, numerator by denominator into 100. So I'm just directly using 100 in the numerator only. Okay. Now what I will use count. Count distinct customer ID, because I have to find the total number of customer ID, unique customer IDs. Okay, and okay, that's it. And I will take the whole thing up to two decimal places. Okay, done. This is what the percentage you'll see in that. Okay, you will see what you want. What I need is what I need is as immediate. Yes, this one I think. Alias name is as immediate percentage. Okay, I will just write over here as CTLV immediate percentage. That's it. That's it. So this is the first part. We have done this one. So this is the logic for the first part. Now move to the second part. Where the second part is the first order of the customer is the order when the earliest order date that the customer made. It is granted that the customer has precisely on one order, and also yes. So write a solution to find the percentage immediate orders in the first orders of all the customers. So see. Here they have already told that you need to find the immediate person of first order only. Okay, so if I only leave this condition only, it will take every conditions, every rows or every dates. Now I have to pinpoint the logic on that order ID, which is the first order of a customer. So how you will do it? Just see over here, you have the logic. Now you use the condition. You will provide a where clause upon it. Okay. Now this is as percentage, and I will write from. Okay, from delivery. Just provide delivery table. Delivery. Okay, this is the thing. Uh, 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 delivery. Okay, delivery. Now use where clause. Why I will use where clause? To just feed the logic that we need only the first customers, only on the first order of the customers. Okay, so how will use it? Where customer ID, comma, order date, order date, yeah, in I will use a subquery over here. Over here only. What is this? Select customer ID. Now use minimum date. Okay, just find the minimum date, and at the end I will do a group by. Minimum order date. So okay, so the what I am doing is I'm considering the customer ID and the order date, and what I am doing is only I will set in the customer ID with having a minimum order date. So minimum order date will always consider it as the first order date. Okay, so you know this logic. Okay, so this is done. Minimum order date. Okay, from now use from table delivery delivery D in caps delivery from delivery. Okay, now use group by. Group by what? What I will use group by? I will use group by on customer ID, because customer ID is the main. On top of it, I am doing every logic. Okay, that's it. I think. Okay, now let's see whether it's okay or not. It accepts my code or not. Run the code now. Hmm, I think runtime error. Customer ID in the field list. Where it is? Which word is taking? Unknown column. Custom. I think I have made a spelling mistake. Where it is? Okay, over here. Customer ID. Yes. See, accepted. Okay, 50-50. Now submit the test case. Let's see how the test case works. I think it has taken my code. Yes. Okay. So it has accepted my code. Okay. So this is what my solution for immediate food delivery. Okay. Delivery 2. It is question number 1174. Okay, so it is a bit difficult because we have used a case on over it. You just check this case command, how the case is being used. It is basically a switch case type, using if the condition is satisfied, then we will using 1, or if not, then we will using 0. So it is a conditional statement. It is a bit different from whatever we have done earlier. So we have divided the logic in two parts. First, I have done the logic, and top of it we have introduced the, or we have pushed the condition. Okay, from here only, where and use a subquery of in the where I have used a subquery. So this is what my code look like, my query look like for this question, immediate food delivery to. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you in the next session on another question on aggregate function. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye.